My name is Daniel Meszler. I work for Tularosa Communications, Tularosa Space and Telephone Company. I'm the general manager there. We serve pretty close to the Alamogordo area, Tularosa, Carrizozo, and then up into the Sacramento Mountains. So we're definitely a community-based company. So we're very involved in all of the events. It's really important to add that connectivity for our community. So, connecting the schools, the libraries, all those anchor institutions, including, I include, the pistachio farms and the vineyards as kind of anchor institutions because they're the big businesses in our area. We actually just started with the NRTC not too long ago, within the last year. We were excited to use NRTC. The customer support was just out of this world. When our team needs to have a break at night, we have somebody that we can rely on. Even though with the email, we haven't had a lot of customer feedback on that. The feedback from our teams, our own network operations here, get all that before, has been tremendous. The fact that NRTC is a co-op is pretty important because that means that they care about their customers, which is us. It's a great group to work with. So I've utilized 3 different companies for the same stuff that we use NRTC for, and I would say that using NRTC has been probably the most seamless. Oh man, I'm a Samsung person, so I just don't want to jump on the Apple bandwagon. I think I'm the last person in my family that hasn't made that transition. I will say Apple does a good job of integrating their peripherals into, their system. So whether it's the AirPods or whatever, they do work seamlessly.